There is only one thing that need to be changed in your business in order to help you to scale your business. If you are here and you need to start your business, you have to understand there is only one thing. If you change it, that will scale exactly your business entirely. And that's exactly the one thing that I changed it on my business in the last year that helped me to scale my business. I will tell you exactly a story about how I making this video. So I started my lead gen and AI automation agency in 2023, helping B2B company to get leads and helping them with the outbound system. But in 2024, I decided to scale my business to start now charging for more, working with less clients. But I found it very difficult at the beginning. And while working like that, I got one client, and after making some adjustment on my business, and I got one client, and that client pay $5,000 for the payment without any objection. And at that time, I realized that there is only one thing that's need to be changed in our business, and while just we change that conception, that will transform exactly our psychology about the pricing, our psychology about client acquisition. And exactly, I cannot just give you exactly all the techniques about how you can get more clients, how you can increase your revenue without first addressing one thing. And the thing that need to be addressed is your offer. In all my video, I like talking about the offer because the offer is the things that change everything in your business. That's the things that I change it, and that's also change it exactly my business destiny. And in this video, I will not just come here and tell you exactly like, okay, how you can make your offer irresistible. I will tell you exactly the four components of an offer that will help you to scale your business, that will help you not just to get clients but also to make them pay more and increase the revenue also. That's exactly my goal in this video. Not here to give you some theoretical advice, the technique that will increase your revenue, all the stuff. I'm just here to give you things that work, things that's working for me, and that will also work on your business. That being said, let's jump in our components. So there are only four components that you have to understand in your offer. The first one is the pricing, the second is the value, the third the guarantee, and the last one is the name. Why I put it on in that order? Because putting them on that order of importance, that will increase also the value of this video. I don't want you just to stay until the end of this video. I want you to take what's work for you, that will inspire you, and start making adjustment right now. So the first one is the pricing. You have to understand that when I'm talking about the pricing is more relative to people, and there are two mindsets. The first mindset is the price driven people, and also the value driven people. So for the price driven people, those people tend to tax their product or to charge for their service about the competitor. They say, okay, my competition charge for $1,000 for this product, I will tax for, let's say that's for $500. That means they think that they will put, the cheaper their product can be, and the more people will buy. That it doesn't work like that in business. In business, people don't buy because the product is cheaper. You have to understand that there is no such thing as pricing or bad pricing, because I say that pricing is more relative. So what you have to understand is that if your product is considered as a cheaper product, that means your product is are paying for less money and getting mediocre service. That's what a cheaper product. But if your product is considered as a expensive product, that means they are paying for more, but they are getting less result. That's exactly what you have to understand in your mindset. There is no such thing as products for much value or expensive products for less value. If people consider your service as a cheaper, that means they know that this service is mediocre. If they consider as it's expensive, that means your service and the pricing don't match. So how you can make how you can make your service to match. That's exactly the second mindset. The second mindset is the price, the value driven people. So on the value driven people, those people don't those people don't charge for the price, they charge for the value the client will get. So those people are very focused on the result they are selling to clients. They are not telling to clients about how the service will help them achieve results. They are selling the results. That's exactly the right mindset you have to do. So how you can increase the value of your products, that will help you to still getting more clients by increasing also your pricing. So that's lead us to the second point. The second point is the value. So why I say that's come second, because you will understand that people will buy for the same information but in other formats. I will give you just an example. So if I'm making this video is on YouTube, right? It's in video format, but I can just take the same information that I'm taking here, and just with this video I transcribe this video, get the text, and create an ebook about this, create a book, and I can sell that. You will see that now you are watching it on YouTube for free, but I can just take the same information, I change it, just the format become on a book, and the people will buy. I can charge it for $100, or I can charge also for $2,000. It's depend about my pricing, and people will still buy. Why? Because I just changes the format, so people will still buy. Just keep it in mind, because I'm telling you this because that's the exact things that will increase the value of your product or your service. What you have to do to increase the value of your service or your product, it is by providing additional resource or bonuses on your offer. So I will give you an example. If you are a marketing agency and your competitor are also marketing agency, you are running, both of you are running Facebook ads for your clients. That means you are providing the same result, like giving leads, getting for your clients leads, and they will pay you exactly based on the leads that you are providing. So if you come, for you, your offer can be okay. For your competitor, they are providing results based on the leads they provide. So that means on every lead they get also, like they get paid based on the lead. But for you, you can say okay, they are providing like that, but for me, my offer is I provide you the lead, but I got paid for every lead that you close, but I get percentage on the amount of his lead will deliver. You will understand that if the company you are working for will prefer working with you, because they know that okay, we are investing our money, and the return of investment will get it after. You will get it after. And for you, you know that if you can provide more value, they will put more money on your offer, because they know that you can provide more people. And if you get percentage on every lead that is closed, you will understand that if I got paid for any lead that I provide, I have to put much effort to bring high quality leads, because those leads need to be high quality, interested about the offer and everything. So if you are providing for closing rates, you understand, you will find that the company will give you much flexibility to increase the quantity of lead, so you can close them. If the closing rate is high, you will start earning also more money. It's like an affiliate marketing. You come, you bring clients, and you have a lifetime access. So if just I'm getting paid just with the lead that's providing, you will see that my service and the remuneration or my pricing will be also less than the one who is providing by cross. That's exactly how you can increase the value. You can increase bonus on maybe a training. Just find something that is valuable. You include in your offer. That will increase the value of your offer, and that lead us in the third one. So the third one is about the guarantee, as I said. So for the guarantee is also a part of value, because that's will help people to understand that they will not lose their money. They are not just putting their money on void. They will not lose their money. So how you can put the guarantee? I recommend for people who just get started, they don't have a new social proof to prove that okay the system work. Like for me, I can provide the proof of the system that's work first for me, for myself, how I get clients, and that's work it also for other clients, because I have clients that testimonial that give me review and testimonial testifying exactly that my system work, and they got also paying clients in just 2 weeks of campaign, and they increased their personal brand in just one month of campaign. You see that I have a lot of results and the review on my portfolio that will make me to close the clients very easy. That will facilitate exactly the process. So if you just get started, just start by, maybe you can start working for free to collect some social proof. Your guarantee will be very flexible. So some guarantee can be money back guarantee, or you work for free until you deliver results. So those kind of guarantee, you have just to put to take a look on the guarantee that work for you, and to start. That will increase also the value of your offer. And the last one is the naming process. So for the naming process, I will not waste for more time on talking about the name, all the stuff. But the one thing, or the one tip that I can give you, is that I prefer naming my offer I prefer naming my offer related on the service that I provide. So if I provide something on the outbound, my name will be related to the outbound, and that will be a catchy. So it can be like blueprints, it can be something a catchy, and that will be also value driven. That will increase the value of your offer. So if you want to succeed exactly in 2025, I decided to drop more video like this, and just teaching you everything that I know, sharing with you all the knowledge that I know, and while I'm running my agency, talking with you, sharing with you. So feel free to comment below what thing that's helped you. That will help me also to understand that this resonates with you, and I will keep dropping more content like this to help you guys. So don't forget to subscribe, to like. That will encourage me to drop more content like this. So let's go.